To make your pop-up gopher, you need a cup, a stick, your little gopher. You are going to need some scissors, some glue, some green paper, and some brown paper. That's going to be for the inside of the burrow. Go ahead and color your groundhog. I'm going to use brown. That's a real color for a groundhog. Or, if you want to mix things up and be a little bit silly, you could use like a made-up color, maybe like orange or blue. It's up to you, so go ahead and color your groundhog. Now, very carefully on the outside black line, cut out your groundhog. After you're done, glue him to the stick. Now let's work on the cup part. Let's take this brown paper and we're gonna carefully pretty much just smoosh it on the inside of the cup. Just like that, just to make it look like the real burrow is brown, like the dirt part. So just use your fingers and kind of smoosh it in there. With these green tissue paper strips, what we're going to do, see how they're longer? We're gonna cut some little slits at the top. That's going to make it look like grass because this is the outside of the burrow. So I'm going to use my glue stick. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the outside of the cup in just a little section. I'm going to stick my tissue paper down and rub it on. And I'm just going to go around and cover up the whole cup with the green paper. Last part, with your scissors, very carefully poke a hole at the bottom. Go ahead and stick your groundhog in there and peekaboo!